guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. Now in today's video I'm gonna be making this super delicious butter chicken. Now let's cook. So guys, here we have our chicken pieces. I'm using chicken breast to be exact. I went ahead and I washed and cut those in cubes. Now I'm seasoning with chicken seasoning. I'll also be using garlic and onion powder. Now you guys can go ahead and leave this to marinate a couple of hours in advance before you start cooking it. Now guys, be sure not to add too much garlic or onion powder because it tends to burn when frying. I learned that the hard way. Yeah, so don't make the same mistake that I did, guys. Okay, well, it wasn't with us. Okay, now in a skillet on medium heat, I'm just going to go ahead and fry those pieces. I'm gonna fry them for about 5 to 6 minutes until they're cooked through. Now you want to go ahead and repeat the same process with the remaining chicken. Now in that same skillet, I'm going to go ahead and saute my onions, and I'm going to saute these for about 3 minutes until they are fragrant and translucent. Now guys, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and I'm just going to cook that for about a minute or so because curry tends to burn quite easily. Yeah. Now guys, I'm adding the marinara sauce and I'm just going to give that a quick stir. I'm also adding my cream, and I'm just going to allow this to cook for about 15 minutes on low heat. Now guys, I went ahead and I add 1/4 teaspoon of ginger and cumin. I'll also be adding 1 tablespoon of sugar just to cut the acidity from the marinara. I'm also gonna go in with garlic and onion powder, also some paprika and chili powder, and you're just going to stir all that season in your butter sauce, and you're just going to allow this to cook for another 7 or 8 minutes. Now guys, I'm adding my chicken pieces, and I'm just going to coat all that with the sauce. And this sauce was so creamy guys and delicious, so good. I wanted to add cream cheese to this just to give it that extra creaminess, but guys, I didn't have any. If you guys want that extra creamy taste, like, go ahead and add your cream cheese guys. So I went ahead and I served this over a bed of basmati rice, and I just topped that off with some Italian parsley. I love you guys so much for watching. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.